Welcome to the Making Text Larger on an iPhone course. In this video, you'll learn how to adjust the size of text on your phone to make it easier to read. From the home screen, tap on the Settings app. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down and tap Accessibility. The Display and Text Size option works on text in your phone's menus, emails and text messages. Tap on it. From the options that appear, tap on Larger Text. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice a slider. Using your finger, drag the slider to the right to increase the size of the text, and to the left to decrease it. The text at the top is a preview of the text size, and you'll see this text getting bigger as you drag the slider right and smaller as you drag it left. This is a handy way to know when you've found the right text size for you. If you need even larger text, tap the switch next to Larger Accessibility Sizes at the top of the screen so that the switch turns green. The slider at the bottom will now let you make the text even bigger. Adjust the slider to find a size you're happy with. Tap the back arrow at the top left of the screen to set the text size and return to the Display and Text Size menu. There are other options here for making text easier to read, including the bold text setting. Switching this feature on will make the text darker and thicker, but for this demonstration, we'll leave it switched off. You can now tap the back arrow at the top left of the screen to explore other helpful features in your phone's accessibility menu.